Hello and welcome to Mr. Simplified's tutorials. The topic for this tutorial is Walter Mischel's personality theory. What if I told you that personality might not be as stable as we think? What if being shy, being aggressive, or being disciplined depends more on the situation at hand rather than on your fixed traits? Today we are going to explore the revolutionary ideas of Walter Mischel, the American psychologist who challenged traditional personality theory and changed social psychology forever. We'll cover why he challenged the trait theory, what the famous Marshmallow Experiment really showed, his Cognitive-Affective Personality System, and how his ideas are used in therapy today. And as always, there is an interesting discussion point at the end, so please stay tuned. Now, before Mischel, personality psychology was dominated by trait theorists like Gordon Allport and Raymond Cattell. Now, we've covered both approaches in popular tutorials in this channel, so please do check them out. The links are in the description. These theories believed that people have stable traits that predict behavior across various different situations. For example, if you're honest, you'll be honest everywhere. If you're aggressive, you'll always act aggressively. If you're shy, you'll be shy in all contexts. So essentially it's simple, neat, and predictable. But Mischel asked a relevant question. Do traits actually predict behavior consistently? And this is the central question he wanted to answer through his theory. In 1968, Mischel published his book Personality and Assessment, and it shook the world of psychology. He reviewed decades of research, applied correlation, and found that the correlation between traits and behavior is only around 0.3. Now, to elaborate correlations further, the Pearson's correlation coefficient measures correlation between two entities or behaviors on a scale of 0.0 to 1.0, where 1.0 is the perfect relationship and 0.0 means no relationship. By performing a number of tests like personality assessment questionnaires and controlled behavior observations, he arrived at a value of 0.3 as the correlation between traits and behavior. This effectively implies that only 9% of a person's variance in behavior is explained by the person's trait score. He therefore argues that behavior is influenced more by other factors like the situation at hand than by stable traits. This piece of work then triggered what we call the person-situation debate. The central question driving this debate was, are we driven more by who we are, which are traits, or where we are, which are situations? Mischel leaned heavily towards situations. For example, imagine someone is labeled aggressive, but at work, he's calm and professional. At home, he's easily irritated. With friends, he's playful. And in sports, he's highly competitive. So, are they really aggressive? Or are they just responding to different situations? Mischel said, behavior changes depend on context. He believed consistency exists, but in patterns and not raw traits. Now let's check out the famous Marshmallow Experiment. In the late 1960s and the early 1970s, at Stanford University, Mischel conducted the famous Marshmallow Experiment. Children were placed in a room with one marshmallow on a table, and they were told you can either eat it now or wait 15 minutes and get 2 marshmallows. Simple choice, immediate reward versus delayed reward. And what was being measured? Self-control, delayed gratification, and impulse regulation. And what was observed? Well, some kids ate it immediately, where others waited patiently. And many of the ones who waited actually employed some interesting strategies like covering their eyes, singing songs, and many actively transformed the marshmallow in their minds into a non-edible object like a cloud or a tiny stuffed animal or whatever to actually reduce that temptation. So what did Mischel actually learn from this experiment? Children who delayed gratification tended to perform better academically, have better stress regulation, show stronger life outcomes. And here is the important nuance. It wasn't just about strong willpower. It was actually strategy. And those who employ strategies in unknown or unusual situations rather than giving into impulse tend to do well. Them employing strategies also taught us that self-control isn't just a trait, it's a cognitive skill. And that leads us to Mischel's biggest contribution, the Cognitive-Affective Personality System, or CAPS. Mischel proposed the CAPS model, which elaborates that personality is not just comprised of traits, it's a system of cognitive processes, so how we think, affective processes, so how we feel, behavioral responses, and situational triggers. In simple terms, personality is a pattern of if-then responses. So instead of saying, John is aggressive, we can say, if criticized, then becomes defensive, or if praised, then becomes cooperative, if stressed, then withdraws. So the pattern is consistent rather than relying on traits. So what are the key components of CAPS? CAPS has 5 key components that combine to form behavior. Encoding strategies. Now this refers to how you interpret situations. For example, is that person laughing at you or just joking? Beliefs and expectations. This is what you think or believe will happen in the situation at hand. An example is a person thinking, if I try, I'll anyway fail. Effects or emotions like fear, anger, and excitement. Goals and values refers to what matters to you, achievement, approval, security. Competencies and self-regulation refers to your skills and impulse control, just like the kids in the Marshmallow Experiment. Together, these components interact with the situations at hand to produce behavior. Now, what makes this theory really important? It explains why people act differently in different situations, why self-control can be trained, and why labeling people is oversimplified. It moves us from people are this to people respond this way in certain contexts. This is a huge difference in thought processes and is very relevant in the modern world where everything and everyone is judged almost immediately. Now let's look at how this approach is used in therapy. Mischel's ideas strongly influenced modern therapies like cognitive behavior therapy, anger management, and addiction management. Therapists can use specific aspects, including identifying the if-then patterns. Therapists can help clients identify patterns like, if partner criticizes, then I shut down. If I feel anxious, then I procrastinate. And once a pattern is identified, it can be interrupted or corrected. Psychological encoding. If someone interprets neutral situations as threatening, therapy changes how they encode situations. For example, a thought process can change from, they ignored me because they hate me, to, they must just be busy. Delay of gratification. Like we saw in the Marshmallow Experiment, training someone to delay justification can help in terms of addiction therapy, anger management, financial behavior coaching. Now let's look at some of the criticisms. Now, when it comes to the Marshmallow Experiment, later research showed that the marshmallow results were actually influenced by some other factors like the socio-economic background of the children, their trust in adults, the environmental stability offered. So it wasn't pure willpower. But this also in a way strengthens Mischel's point about situations. There was also another criticism about Mischel's observations from the person-situation debate. It was argued that a correlation of 0.3 between traits and behavior isn't completely irrelevant. So a balanced perspective is to accept that traits, situations, and our interactions with situations all matter to produce a final outcome. So here's a quick summary of what Mischel taught us. Traits alone don't explain behavior. Situations matter. Personality is a dynamic system. We have consistent if-then patterns. Self-control is actually trainable. And the most important aspect in the modern era is to understand that instead of labeling people, we should try and understand their patterns. Now that we know what Mischel proposed, do you agree that understanding context and situations is very important before any behavior is judged? Do you think that people tend to judge other people a lot, especially in the age of social media? And do you think that there is a lack of understanding of what another person is probably going through? Do you face that yourself? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, thank you very much for your attendance to this tutorial. Thank you for your continued love and support. And please do subscribe. Please do recommend the channel to other friends and colleagues. And the most important thing is to take very good care of your own self. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.